just to see, how we started the season and get to, national championship. So definitely, fueling us for next year. At the same time, we had guys come in, during the summer, a couple of guys in the 2016 team and from the 2017 team just tell us, how hungry they were the next following year, just to get back to that championship and then win it for the guys that, weren't able to do it. So, we learned from them, pick their brains a little bit, and get back to work.
I don't really know too much about the 80 team there. I'm pretty sure we all know about the 2016, 2017, what happened, and it's definitely motivating for us to come back and finish the job this time, for sure.
How did it feel beating Duke on Coach Kenny's last night?
Okay, that's a great question, yeah.
Yes, sir. Let's go.
Well, I mean, we all knew how the stakes game it was, and just the build up. It took a week to even get to that game, and we just was ready to play. And then just to win on that stage, just against them, and allow y'all to have bragging rights forever, really. That's what really made it so special for us, because I want to be able to, just like y'all, be able to talk trash against until they beat us in that situation. So we may not never see them again in the tournament. So I'm just glad we won.
How many of these events are you doing?
Event? I think they have like